Today, we delve into the art of growing peppers in pots. To get started, you'll need a few essentials. Gather pepper plants or seeds, large pots, potting mix, a watering can, fertilizer, and stakes for support. The first step is selecting the right pot. It's crucial that your pot has good drainage holes to prevent water from gathering at the roots, which could lead to root rot. If your pot doesn't have these, you can simply drill some in the bottom. The soil you use is just as important. Opt for a high-quality potting mix, which provides good aeration and drainage. Garden soil can be too heavy and may harbor pests or diseases, so it's best to avoid it. Now, onto the planting. If you're using seeds, plant them about 1/4 inch deep and lightly cover with soil. Place the pot in a warm area and wait for the seedlings to appear. If you're starting with a young plant or seedling, make a hole in the soil large enough for the root ball. Gently remove the plant from its container, loosen the roots slightly, and settle it into the hole. Fill in around the plant with soil and pat gently. Once your peppers are planted, give them a good drink of water. You'll want the soil to be moist, but not waterlogged. Continue to water regularly, maintaining a consistently moist, but not soggy soil. Position your pots where they'll receive 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Peppers need ample sun to grow and bear fruit. As your pepper plants grow, they might need support to prevent them from toppling over, especially as they start to bear fruit. Insert a stake or small cage into the pot early to avoid disturbing the roots later. Feeding your pepper plants with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer will help them grow strong and yield a good harvest. Follow the package instructions for the best results. Keep a vigilant eye on your plants for any signs of pests or disease. Early treatment can prevent these issues from spreading. When it comes to harvesting, peppers can be picked as soon as they reach an edible size. The longer they stay on the plant, the sweeter they become, especially in the case of bell peppers. However, frequent harvesting can encourage the plant to produce more fruits. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.